If your iPhone storage is full, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go back to your screen. Go to the settings. Then what you're going to do is scroll a little bit down to the apps. Click apps. And then you're going to just try to pin down Safari. Click Safari from here. Right? And then what you're going to do is scroll a little bit down to the advanced. Click advanced. Click website data. Alright? You're going to wait for a few moments right here until the data uploads. You're going to wait. And just click remove all website data, double click to remove, and that should reduce the iPhone storage. Now what you're going to do, go back to the main settings in order to reduce the iPhone storage, and then what you're going to do, go to the general, right? And then basically what you're going to do next, scroll a little bit down to the date and time, and make sure that you set the date and time automatically. All right, now what you're going to do, go back to the main settings, and then scroll a little bit down to the apps, and then try to pin down photos. Click photos, and make sure that you download and keep originals instead of optimized iPhone storage. If your iPhone is low on space, full resolution photos and videos are automatically replaced with smaller device sized versions. So make sure that you keep it on optimized iPhone storage. Okay, now what you're gonna do, go back to the main settings. This is very important. Scroll up, click your name at the top, and then what you're gonna do, go to the iCloud, and then try to pin down photos, and make sure that you turn off sync this iPhone, and that should reduce the storage on your iPhone. Next, what you need to do, right, go back to the main settings, scroll a little bit down, go to the general, and then go to the software update, and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. If you have a new update, make sure that you do stop the video and update right now. Next, what you need to do, go back to the main settings, and then go to the general, and then scroll a little bit down to find the iPhone storage, and then try to do it manually. Try to reduce the most apps that take so much space from your iPhone, and that should fix your problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.